Hi everyone, welcome to Northeast Junior College online classes. For HS second year student, your accounting already started. So I think I'll start from a unit 2, that is accounting for partnership firm. Accounting for partnership firm. This is first you should know the basic concept of accounting. Basic concept of partnership firm. So first you know what do you mean by partnership. So first you define partnership. Define partnership. Section 4 of partnership. Section 4 of Indian Partnership Act 1932 define partnership means the relationship between the relationship between persons who have agreed to shares the profit or loss of a business. The profit or loss of a business carried on, or any of them acting for all, is known as partnership. Define partnership. Section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 define partnership means the relationship between persons who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried on by all, or any of them acting for all. So what you can understand from this definition? The partnership means, define partnership. Partnership means, it means relationship between the person. Relation between Mr. X. Suppose Mr. X, they are decided to start a business. They are gathering and make a relation. And this relation, they have started a business, and the relationship between person who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried by all, or any of them acting for. Mr. X and Mr. Y, if decided both they are engaging to business and share the profit of a business, or carried by any of them, carried on by all, or any of them acting for all, is known as partnership. So second question, what are the essential elements of partnership? What are the essential element of partnership? What are the essential elements of partnership? Essential element of partnership. So question 18, what are the essential elements of partnership? The essential element of partnerships are, there must be two or more persons. There must be an agreement. The business must be carried on by. The business must be carried all, or any of them. all or any of them, all or any of them, any of them acting for all is known as, these are the essential elements. And another essential element, there must be a sharing the profit sharing ratio. So three I'll write only three essential element of partnership. And what are the characteristics? What are the characteristic features of a partnership? So students, what are the characteristic features of partnership? Characteristics and features of partnership firm. What are the characteristic of the features of a partnership firm? The following are the features and characteristics of partnership firm. Minimum and maximum number of partners. Minimum and maximum number of partners. There must be a minimum 2 persons. There must be a minimum 2 persons. Partnership Act 1932 does not specify the maximum number. Partnership Act 1932 does not specify the maximum number of partners. And number 2 point is agreement. There must be an agreement between the partners. Agreement may be oral or written. 3 number point, lawful business. Lawful business. The partnership is formed for earning on any lawful business. If we start a partnership, if we don't start any lawful business, the business is closed. So there must be lawful business. That point. The 4th point is sharing of profit. The partners have agreed to carry the business, and to share the profit, to carry on a business, and to share the future profit between them in an agreed ratio. And number 5th is liability. Liability of a partners are unlimited. So these are the features and characteristics of partnership partners. So student, today I will discuss define partnership and what are the essential elements of partners, and third point, what are the characteristics and features of partnership. So in next video I will discuss another topic.